the status of co-management structures, gaps and challenges, and best options for effective implementing the revised co-management guidelines in Uganda have also been established. The collaborations and linkages with institutions and partners have been maintained and new ones acquired.
First, like the co-management guidelines, so that the stakeholders are all involved. Let the fishermen be involved, the fish traders be involved, the policing agents be involved, and the technical arms from the central government, then plus any civil society organization to be involved in this.
LAKIMO is Lake Kyoga Integrated Management Organization. It was set up by districts that actually touch the lake, and the major aim was to see how sustainably the lake resources could be utilized. GIZ has cleared 85% of our challenges. They have trained our people. They have even cleaned the whole of this Lake Kyoga. You can't believe. Kyoga is big. I'm taking of 17 districts. A team came that was collecting all garbage, all these plastics along the whole lake. What happened in Nakasongola, happened in Serere, happened in Palisa, and today I didn't know that people learn by seeing.
Before the GIZ project, we did not have a forum that brings all of us as the stakeholders in the fisheries sector in the country to work together to mainly plan, to exchange knowledge, to share ideas, to really guide good management and development of the fisheries sector in the country.
As the name says, multi-stakeholder, the different stakeholders, and so in improving the sector's performance, effectiveness, we as UFCA we have gained a lot in the last 3 years from the efforts of GIZ for people to generate those ideas, to generate information and so forth. So as an advocate organization, I know in the next 2 to 3 years we shall influence a lot of policies with what we have already got, the information we have got now, we have gathered. So we are going to package this information and be able to come up with advocacy strategies and campaigns and so forth.
As the project goes away, it had been supporting a number of key activities which routinely give us data like hydroacoustics, and I think when the project is closing, we started selling it to partner states. The partner states should be able to take it up and be able to develop that so that it continuously go in that direction and does not stop. Number 3 has been a meeting of decision makers. The meetings of senior officials, the directors responsible for fisheries management and fisheries research from the 3 partner states. These have been always brought together under the meeting of these, but the partner states have only been supporting them for the meeting of the sectoral council. But now they need also to take it on and be able to support these meetings of technical evaluations, because they tend to evaluate now the outcomes of the science so that they can inform management decision.
We have what we're calling the electronic catch assessment survey. It's very easy. You have the software installed on a mobile phone. These days people understand these mobile solutions. Everyone is on a mobile phone, on a smartphone. And we are making such inroads after the project has ended, where you don't have the resources to actually conduct these surveys. Then you have the enumerator at a landing site who is collecting data on a daily and transmitting this data to a central server. And then the manager who can also visualize what is happening.
GIZ Responsible Fisheries Business Chains Project, together with the Directorate of Fisheries Resources, National Fisheries Resources Research Institute, district local government and the local fish community, identified, characterized, validated and mapped 87 potential fish breeding areas in nursery grounds or maternity wards for fish on Lake Victoria 43 and Kyoga 44.
The fish breeding areas, we know these areas where they are and we have mapped them. So we look forward to now having statutory instruments that can eventually have them gazetted and protected.
Batuwa amagezi ebifo ebyo kirungi nnyo kubikuuma nga abantu tebabisaaliriramu okusobola okukuuma ennyanja yaffe n'okuba nga etuweereza era okuva olwo twafunawo kenkyukakyuka. Ebyennyanja tubifuna mu budde bwe tuba tubyagalidde ate nga bikulu mu sayizi